Okay guys, we are over here at Oyster Head Pizza Company in Damariscotta now, and time for some lunch. And they have wood-fired pizzas over here, so it should be great. Authentic, as you can see. Big old pile of wood. They are actually open year-round here too, so today it's about 90 degrees, so it's a perfect day to eat outside. But there's an ocean breeze, so it shouldn't be too bad. Alright guys, so out here on the patio now, we've got our order in, and we started off with what they called magic beans as an appetizer. Those are lemon soy beans, I think, with a dipping sauce that they bake right in the oven. And then, we've got to refer to my menu here that's in front of me. The Rufus Thomas is what we ended up getting. It's got white sauce, a cheese blend that they have here, they shred here. Hot honey ranch, actually. Smoked chicken, which they put around the smoker behind us, and then it's got a little bit of bread and butter pickles and barbecue sauce, so something definitely different, and should be out here in just a few minutes. Simone found this green bee blueberry soda. Not sure if it's local or not, but
I don't know. What tells you on the back?
it is pretty good. It's more ginger than there is blueberry, but she seems to like it. I'll leave it for her. It kind of tastes like cough syrup to me, but
I thought you'd like it.
It's no, not really.
You'd like that.
It's all yours. I got myself a Mexican Dorito lime soda here, which I've never tried either, but let's see how this is.
It is local, Brunswick, Maine.
There you go. Simone's is from Brunswick and mine is from nowhere in Maine.
No, that's definitely not for Maine.
Mine is much better though. It's like a more intense Sprite flavor. All right. Waiting on the green beans and pizza.
Looks like ours.
Thank you. Looks great.
Yes,
That's my
very
favorite
good.
pizza on the whole menu.
Perfect.
Beans, enjoy.
Thank you.
Okay there guys, food has arrived here, and we got the medium or small size pizza. This one is $23, and the 16-inch pizza would have been, I think, $28, but seeing as we're old and not that hungry, we got the smaller size. And we also have some fiber here to go with it. We got some green beans and vegetables, because Mom always says eat your vegetables. Those are the oven-baked green beans. And the sauce comes right on top of them, actually. I thought it was going to be on the side, but we're going to try all this out and let you know what we think. Alright guys, so green beans first here. These have a smoked tomato aioli on there. Also a lemon and soy glaze with sesame seeds on there to add a little crunch, which is good. Smoked tomato aioli is very good. Doesn't taste too heavy in the tomato, but more heavy in the smoke actually. And the green beans have just enough soy. Like I said, that sesame on there adds a nice little crunch. Excellent, and kind of healthy, kind of. All right, on to the pizza. So first thing is the crust is thin crust. I would prefer it just a little bit more well done on the bottom crust myself, but it works. Just kind of have to fold it like a New York style.
Yeah.
Yep.
Or you start with a knife and fork.
Yeah, exactly.
And you finish
when
with
you,
your
when you get to
fingers.
the edge, just more like one of the Neapolitan pizzas, basically, where the middle is not the crispiest, but the edges are. But yes, definitely.
It's got a nice little cornmeal like crunch.
So you can see the blackened spots from the oven.
From the
Like I
wood
said, it is
fire.
a wood-fired oven, and it is really hot inside there today. Actually, they're having issues with their air conditioning. They're actually closing early today.
It's nice and
But
puffy.
that is why we were outside on the patio during a 90-degree day, because it's actually cooler outside than it is inside. It's probably 100 degrees inside the restaurant.
Yeah. got a nice
But
breeze.
anyway, back to the pizza. See, the crust is a little bit, I would like mine a little bit more well done, but it is flavorful, and it is definitely soft and tender, so that's good. And Simone, what do you think of the flavor of the pizza itself?
It's when you read it, it sounds weird. There's a lot of things.
Yes.
There's a lot of stuff going on.
It's got hot honey ranch on it. It's got
sauce
barbecue.
there.
It obviously has cheese. It has one of Simone's hairs on it that I just saw.
My bad.
Blowing in the wind. All right.
Sorry.
Back to the review though. It's got hot honey ranch, and the hot honey ranch is actually not hot.
It's not that
So
spicy.
if
It's more
you-
zingy.
It's definitely zingy, but it's
Like-
not hot at all.
Like almost like I wouldn't say mild buffalo, but like that zinginess.
Yeah,
like a
well,
mild
no, I
buffalo.
actually would say mild
Yeah,
buffalo with a little
yeah.
bit of ranch mixed in.
Yeah,
Yep, and
like
a
a
little
nice
sweetness from the honey. Yep.
Homemade ranch because it's got some dill and herbs that you can see.
Mm-hmm.
The pickles are fresh made.
Yes, fresh
They're nice
made.
and thin.
Bread and butter, but they actually, once again, they're not that sweet. They're actually more mustardy, I
I'm
think.
glad because I think that would have been too sweet.
Yeah.
They're more zingy, yeah, because of you can even see like the whole grain mustard
Yep.
over here.
No, the
from
mustard actually adds a
pickles.
really nice flavor. That's actually the predominant
Yeah.
flavor, I would say, is the mustard in
And
there.
then 5 spice.
Yes,
Chinese chicken.
Spiced
Five
Chinese
Chinese-
chicken. Yes, Asian
yes.
5 spice on it, and it's smoked.
And does it have? It's got a cream sauce or no?
It has a cream sauce base on it. Yes.
Yeah.
So cream sauce base,
sauce.
cheese, hot honey ranch, barbecue glaze, and the chicken is
The chicken, 5
smoked
spice chicken.
and seasoned with 5 spice, and then you got homemade bread and butter pickles.
Pickles.
Pretty sure that's everything on there.
Ranch. Yeah.
But it's a magical combination. It actually is really good.
strangely- It's very strangely good.
It's not overly sweet.
It's creamy
Definitely
and zingy
creamy.
from the mustard.
Yep.
Trying to think, the barbecue sauce is not super sweet either.
No, there's nothing super sweet on there. Even the
Which
bread
I
and butter
like.
pickles, like I said, are more of like mustard pickle, I would say.
I thought I was a little concerned, but
Yeah.
yes, it's a good. It's like a perfect balance.
It is. It's a
I
great
think.
balance. Yep.
The only thing that I feel like it could use, which is strange, is crunch of-
ranch?
like no.
Oh,
well,
okay.
yes, that's a given too
Oh, all right,
for
yeah.
the crust. Dip my
Uh-huh.
ranch in it, but no, like a crunch of chips on top, like
Ooh,
plain
chips would be nice, yeah.
Like
Yeah, something
put
for
them on
crunch.
top for a
Yep,
little
or even the
crunch.
sesame seeds that are like on the
Ooh,
green
yeah,
beans would be
that
okay.
Might be interesting.
Yeah.
But yeah, no, it's very good.
Yep, a very
Yes.
good pizza. And that's, again, that was the Rufus something. But I'll put it in the vlog anyway. So, yeah, don't be afraid of this one when it says hot honey, because it is not that hot. It's actually a very,
honey ranch,
very
no.
nice balance. Very, very good pizza. All right, guys, wrapping things up here over at the Oyster Head Pizza Company in Damariscotta. And we finished literally every single bite. So no leftovers for us. I guess we should have gotten that larger pizza. But we don't need leftovers. We got plenty of stuff back in the cottage.
Yeah, we got plenty.
But that pizza was excellent, I would say. Definitely different, but they do have the basic pizzas here too. They have your usual pepperoni, your cheese, your veggie pizzas. So if you are scared by interesting and different pizzas, come here and get yourself a plain pepperoni, because it's still going to be excellent.
Yeah,
But yeah, ours, the Rufus something. I keep forgetting the last name, but hold on. Someone's got a cheat sheet here. The Rufus Thomas, whoever the hell that is a great pizza. Simone is commenting that if you watch our Gatlinburg videos from a couple of years ago, that it kind of tasted like a Cuban pizza.
Well,
And
I mean, it had notes of like it had the creaminess and the pickles and that kind of thing.
yeah, definitely
Yeah.
had the creaminess and had the mustard flavor too. So excellent pizza. Green beans were a nice alternative to anything fat and fried. They do have chicken wings here on the menu as well, and they do have like breadsticks and things like that too. But the green beans were non-traditional, but also kind of light and tasty. Didn't
Yeah,
feel
I liked
feel
them.
bloated or weighted down afterwards. So crust was great. Like I said, I do like mine a little bit more well done, but
I think
it was
most-
pillowy and had a
yeah.
great flavor, almost a sourdough-like flavor to it. So that was good.
I think a lot of people like crust like that, where it's
Yeah, it was soft.
it was soft and
It was definitely a
pillowy.
fresh dough kind of
Yeah.
New England Maine crust. And also had a little bit of the Neapolitan kind of thing going on, nice and thin, so that was good.
delicious.
So yeah, I would definitely recommend this place. There's not a whole lot of pizza places in the area, but this is a very good one. So I would bypass any chains that you might find in this area and come straight here to the Oyster Head Pizza Company. It's on the mid-coast of Maine, right around the Pemaquid area, right here in downtown Damariscotta. Plenty of people going by right here on the main drag, so you can't really miss it. So yeah, if you're looking for an alternative to seafood, which is obviously prevalent in this area, then come on over to Oyster Head Pizza Company. 2 thumbs up from us. Join us on the next food review. Till next time,
Have a good time.
have a good time. We'll see you.